You're watching How Leap. Let's explore the 5 big changes in iOS 18.5 Beta 2 that Apple didn't want you to know. First is App Intents in Control Center, letting you place complex app shortcuts directly. Second is a hidden Apple ID passkey feature, moving you toward a passwordless login future. Third, a new adaptive audio focus in music automatically adjusts CQ based on your environment, like car or gym. Fourth, a redesigned notification summary uses on device AI to group and prioritize alerts intelligently. The biggest change is a stealth system-wide translation API that lets any app translate text instantly without opening a separate app. These features are buried in code and not officially announced, suggesting Apple is testing them for a future major release. This beta shows Apple is quietly building a far more intelligent and connected operating system. For more simple tech insights and tutorials, subscribe to the channel.